Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest and greatest products.
Today, we've got something special for all you outdoor enthusiasts.
The Gas-1 GS-3400P Propane or Butane stove, a dual-fuel portable camping stove that's making waves in the market. In this video, we'll explore why this stove is considered the best camping gas stove available.
So, let's dive right in.
One of the standout features of the GS-3400P is its dual fuel capability.
It's compatible with both butane and propane fuel, giving you flexibility in choosing the type of fuel you prefer. Whether you have an 8 ounces butane cartridge or a 16.4 ounces propane cylinder, this stove can handle it all. Plus, it comes with a propane converter regulator, making the switch between fuels a breeze. Say goodbye to the hassle of carrying lighters or matches.
The Gas-1 GS-3400P features an automatic piezoelectric ignition system.
With just a twist of the dial, this stove ignites with ease, ensuring a hassle-free cooking experience every time.
This portable stove is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The adjustable heat dial allows you to control the flame intensity to meet your cooking needs.
Whether you're simmering, boiling, or frying,
the GS-3400P has got you covered. Safety is paramount when it comes to outdoor cooking, and this stove doesn't disappoint.
It's equipped with a built-in pressure sensor cartridge ejection system and a gas flow cutoff mechanism for butane.
These safety features automatically eject the cartridge in case of irregular pressure, ensuring your peace of mind during your camping adventures. The Gas-1 GS-3400P is compact and lightweight, making it an ideal companion for your outdoor trips.
It comes with a convenient carrying case that helps keep the stove and accessories organized and protected while on the move. Now, let's talk about the price. At the time of filming, the Gas-1 GS-3400P is available for just $31.53.
Making it an affordable option for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. And guess what?
It's in stock and ready for delivery to your doorstep.
Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at what actual users are saying about the Gas-1 GS-3400P. With over 12,000 global ratings, it boasts an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon.
Users appreciate its temperature control, size, performance, and value for money.
Many find it perfect for low-heat simmering and love the convenience of the electric ignition. However, opinions are mixed on its ability to use butane. In conclusion, the Gas-1 GS-3400P Propane or Butane stove is a versatile, reliable, and budget-friendly option for all your outdoor cooking needs. Its dual fuel capability, automatic ignition, and safety features make it a standout choice in the camping stove market. That's it for today's review of the Gas-1 GS-3400P Propane or Butane stove. If you're in the market for the best camping gas stove, this one should be on your radar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more informative reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and happy camping!